What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Now, if it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon. That way you're notified every time I release a video. And guys, if you're not following my Facebook page, go over to my Facebook page, All Wings Everything, and like my page. I want you guys to do that right now. Pause the video, go to my Facebook page, like the page. Now, in today's video, what we're gonna do spicy beer wings. I know, sounds crazy, but tastes delicious. I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine. Let's go. Alright, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. I've already cut and cleaned our Publix green washed chicken, so we also have red pepper, kosher salt, olive oil, minced garlic, paprika, cumin, black pepper, chili powder, 1 onion, red pepper flakes, parsley, and we have a can of beer. I'm using a dark lager. You can use any type of beer you're choosing. So, all right, this is what we're going to use. So let's move on. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients. Like I said, I've already cut and cleaned our chicken. So what we have here, we have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 of a cup of virgin olive oil, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, half a cup of chopped fresh parsley, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, and lastly, 12 ounces of beer. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our spicy beer marinade. So the first thing we're going to take is our onions and we're going to add it to an empty bowl. Next, grab your minced garlic, your olive oil, your ground cumin, your chili powder, your red pepper, your chili flakes, your smoked paprika, your pepper, salt, and your parsley. And lastly, you're going to add your beer. Pour a little bit at a time and mix it. Don't dump all of it in at one time. Because if you do, you know what beer does, is going to fizz up. So pour a little bit at a time, mix it, and then finish it off. Give this a good mix. Take a look. I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to place our chicken pieces in this beer bath. It's time for these bad boys to take a bath, guys. All right, so add your chicken pieces. Make sure you get all of them submerged into this mixture. Take a look at it, grab your lid, cover it, and we're going to refrigerate these for 24 hours. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next step. In this step, we're going to line our baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray our grates. This is for easy cleanup and make sure your chicken doesn't stick to the pan. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now our chicken is done marinating. So we're going to add them to this baking sheet. Take a look at that, guys. It looks beautiful. All right, skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to overcrowd the pan. Make sure your chicken is not touching. Once you do that, we'll move on. All right, so it's time to stick these bad babies in this sauna so they can get them a tan. So I've already preheated it to 400 degrees. And we're going to let these bad babies cook for 55 minutes. You can do it for 45 to 55 minutes. Depends on how you like your chicken. I like mine cooked well and extra crispy. So I'm going to set it for 55 minutes. I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so we're 27 minutes into the cooking process. So what we're going to do, it's time to flip these bad babies over and allow them to cook on the other side for the remaining of the time. So go ahead, flip your chicken pieces over, and I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, so we are 10 minutes from the end of the cooking time. So we're going to pull these bad babies out and we're going to brush them with some of this base, this spicy beer base. This is going to give it that extra flavor. So go ahead, make sure you brush each chicken piece with this mixture. And I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, guys, so now the chicken pieces are done. I basted both sides. I let them cook on one side for 5 minutes and turned them over and basted them on the other side for 5 minutes. Now we're pulling them out the oven, sitting them on the counter to take a good look at it. Take a look at that. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. What do you guys think about this? All right, we're going to move on to the next step. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to remove our chicken pieces from our pan and add them to a clean plate. Look how juicy they are, guys. All right, so go ahead, remove your chicken pieces, and I will see you guys in the next step to finalize this recipe. And there you have it, spicy beer wings. Absolutely, positively beautiful. Take a look at this, guys. OMG, amazing. What you guys think about this? These look beautiful. They juicy. Look at the color. Absolutely beautiful. All right, if you need the ingredients, they're in the video description below. The measurements are also in the video description below. Guys, go ahead, hit that like button. You have to hit the like button for this recipe. Hit that like button. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. This is what we do on this channel. We make good wing recipes. So if you're into wings, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince of lemon pepper. And this is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.